Our eyesight is precious. We rely on it every single day. But modern life, with its screens and processed foods, can take a toll on our eye health. What can we do to protect our vision? Eating a healthy diet is a great place to start. And some of the best foods for our eyes are tiny but mighty: bilberries and blueberries. These berries are packed with nutrients that support eye health. They contain vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are key because they protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Bilberries, sometimes called European blueberries, are small, dark blue, and incredibly good for you. They are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their deep color. Blueberries, a close relative, are also packed with nutrients. They are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Both berries contain a special group of antioxidants called flavonoids. Flavonoids have anti-inflammatory properties, which means they can help reduce swelling. This is important for eye health because inflammation can damage delicate eye tissues. Many studies show that bilberries and blueberries can benefit our eyes. Research suggests that anthocyanins in bilberries can improve night vision. They may also help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Studies on blueberries show promising results too. They indicate that blueberries can help reduce eye fatigue and dryness. Some research even suggests that blueberries may play a role in preventing cataracts, a clouding of the eye's lens. For centuries, people have used bilberries and blueberries for their health benefits. During World War II, British pilots reportedly ate bilberry jam to improve their night vision. In traditional medicine, bilberries have been used to treat a range of ailments, from diarrhea to mouth ulcers. Blueberries have a long history of use by indigenous peoples in North America. They used blueberries for food, medicine, and even dyes. Today, we are rediscovering the power of these berries. Science is confirming what traditional healers have known for generations.